What's going on, everybody? This is David from Church Bells. All right, can you hear that? And in this video, we'll be talking about bringing your 8-bit art to life with Legos.
8-bit, Lego, do it.
So firstly, let's talk about 8-bit art. Originated from early video games, this style is known for pixelated graphics and limited color palettes. And its charm mainly lies on the simplicity and retro vibe. So today I'll be making an 8-bit palm tree. But you can really use any 8-bit image that you find online. Just go on Google and search 8-bit image, and you can go from simple designs to things that are way more complex that will take more time, but be more impressive looking in the end. When you're looking at an 8-bit image, you can already kind of see where the blocks fall, especially since it's Legos. It's only 1 pixel to 1 block. And you can use Legos with the flat top or with the circular rough top. It doesn't matter, it's whatever looks better to you. So one thing I did in my design was actually to build vertically as well. It was another way to give the Legos more dimension. So in the front you'll see the brightly colored palm leaves, and as you go back the leaves get darker with shadows, and then behind that you can see the ocean. Me personally, I love doing these projects that take a little more work to see the final and full vision. As an adult, this is a great stress relief activity. Something you can focus on for a little bit, put some time into, and forget about the world around you. And if you have kids, this is a fun and creative activity to occupy time while having them build something that they will appreciate. They said the mission was impossible. Then how come we did it? Then once everything is finished, you could display it directly on the wall, or you could put it on a frame, anything you feel like. You can mash it up and build the next one. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe for more videos like this. Until then, I'll see you next time. Thank you.